Hello everyone! Would you like to meet my construction truck friends? First to meet is Rick the Road Roller. He's so great at making flat roads. He doesn't have to lift any heavy loads. Up next is Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane. Ryan's an expert at smashing down walls, but he sometimes loses his wrecking balls. Here's Dylan the dump truck. He transports rock from the quarry. No one else can do his job, not even a lorry. Eric the excavator is Dylan's best friend. Eric works with Dylan to pick up all the rock, but his theme park ride can give quite a shock. Celia the cement mixer is next. Celia's always been a valuable member of the team. She's helped me mix up paint and serve yummy ice cream. It's Caroline the crane. Caroline extends until she reaches the sky, which is super helpful when building things high. Finally, we have Florence the forklift truck. Florence is happy at home in her playful warehouse. She may be fast, but she's as quiet as a mouse. The mechanicals are helping out on the construction site today. We're going to have a smashing time with Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane. There's lots of walls to build, and the mechanicals are really good at it. Yellow Mechanical slaps on the mortar, which holds the blocks together. Splodge. Splat. Blue Mechanical lays the next block on top. Squelch. Scrape. Ah, here's Dylan with some more blocks. Sid the skid loader is using his mixer attachment to churn up some more mortar to stick the blocks together. He's working hard. There's lots of walls to build today. Look at them go, they're so quick. They'll be finished in no time. Oh dear. I've just spotted a problem. Can you see what's wrong? Yes, that's it. The mechanicals may be good at building walls, but they've rushed the job and they've built the wrong shapes. Look at those funny shaped walls. A circle, a semicircle, a triangle, an oval, a pentagon, a hexagon, a star, a crescent. Only 2 of the walls have been built properly. A square and a rectangle. I think we need someone to knock down the silly shaped walls and start again. This looks like a job for Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane. An enormous circle wall? Well, that's certainly no good at all. This semicircle's half as bad, but its shape still makes me sad. This triangle wall really isn't great. It's fallen over under its own weight. An oval wall is just insane. Smash it down and start again. Pentagon and hexagon both are wrong. We need them gone. You won't get very far with a wall shaped like a star. That crescent wall looks like a frown. Swing that ball and knock it down. But this wall, you can leave right there. It's great. a perfect solid square. And this one too is the correct angle. Build more walls that are rectangle. While the mechanicals get on with building the new square and rectangle walls, shall we look at the shapes one more time? Circle, semicircle, triangle, oval, pentagon, hexagon, star, crescent, square, rectangle. That's more like it. Fantastic job, mechanicals. We got there in the end. Thanks for helping out. The construction trucks had such a great time changing colour and playing hide and seek that all the other trucks wanted to have a turn. Can you remember which one is the respray button? That's right, it's the spray can. Right then, who's in first? Bobby the bus? Red? Tony the taxi? Yellow? Rebecca the recycling truck? Orange? Amber the ambulance? Green? Oscar the old bus? Blue? Larry the lorry? Pink? Vicky the ice cream van? Brown? Trevor the tractor? Purple? Fiona the fire truck? Grey? Max the monster truck? Black? Andy the animal ambulance? White? Now I think we're ready for a game of hide and seek. I'll count, you hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Is that Oscar or Fiona, all red? No, it's Bobby the bus instead. Who's that there in the sand? Hello. It's Tony the taxi, bright yellow. Ha ha, Rebecca is easily seen. She's forgotten that she's orange, not green. But Amber the ambulance gave me a fright. I forgot that she was green, not white. Oscar the old bus looks almost brand new, with his paintwork shiny and blue. That's a very bright house, don't you think? Oh, it's Larry the lorry, huge and pink. I've looked everywhere, all over the town, to find our Vicky, chocolate brown. Trevor the tractor could hide for hours in that field of purple flowers. There are 3 more trucks to find today. Look, there's Fiona, painted grey. Have we found them all? Is it time to head back? No, there's Max the monster truck, smart and black. And back at the garage, I think that might be our Andy, painted white. Well done, everyone. Are you ready to say the colours one more time? Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, pink, brown, purple, grey, black, white. Bobby the bus is visiting us today, so we can learn what makes him special. Great to see you. Shall we go inside and put Bobby on the turntable so that we can take a closer look at him? Let's all see what we can learn as we make Bobby turn. Bobby's wheels. He wouldn't take his passengers very far without these. They go round and round, just like in the Wheels on the Bus song. Bobby's sign. Bobby has a sign that can change to tell passengers where he's going. It helps passengers catch the right bus. Bobby's wipers. These keep his windscreen clear of rain and dirt and bugs, so his driver can see where they're going. Bobby's headlights. Bobby needs powerful lights for driving at night time. They help him see the road and help other vehicles to see him. Bobby's horn. Bobby's horn is very loud. He can sound his horn in an emergency to make sure other vehicles know he's there. Bobby's doors. Bobby has a special set of doors for his passengers so that they can get on and off the bus easily. Bobby's engine. Buses are heavy and need a powerful engine to turn the wheels. Bobby's rear lights. Bobby has red lights at the back so that other vehicles can see him in the dark, and also to let them know when he's slowing down to stop. Thanks to Bobby for helping us today. I hope you enjoyed finding out about what makes a bus special. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Here comes Max the monster truck and his friends, heading for the stadium. They're going to help us learn to count to 10 today. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm so glad you could all make it today. Let's go inside the stadium and jump some vehicles. Max goes first. He gets things done. Watch him jumping over 1. Here's a monster truck, sky blue. She doesn't jump just 1, but 2. And now what's this we see? A monster truck jumping. 1, 2, 3. Can yellow truck do even more? Look at her go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purple truck is ready to drive. She jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This next truck has got some tricks. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6. This really is monster truck heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These monster trucks are looking great. Pink truck just jumped over 8. All the trucks are doing fine. Green truck easily clears 9. Now it's time to count again. Watch our last truck jump all 10. Fantastic jumping, everyone. Are you ready to count them again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 massive monster trucks. Fiona the fire truck's visiting us today, so we can learn what makes her special. Hi Fiona, glad you could make it. Shall we go inside and take a closer look at you? Let's all see what we can learn as we make Fiona turn. Water tank. Fiona always keeps her water tank full, so that she has plenty of water that's ready to use to put out fires. Hose. When there's a fire to put out, Fiona uses her hose to spray water onto the flames. Equipment store. When the fire crew are called out to an emergency, they might need lots of extra equipment, like extra hoses, axes, or a car cutting kit. Wheels. When Fiona's loaded up with water and all that equipment, she's very heavy. She has 6 sets of wheels to move her around. Ladders. The fire crew can use these to help them reach fires that are in taller buildings. They can rescue people from upstairs windows, or rescue cats from trees. Cab. This is where the driver and the rest of the fire crew sit when Fiona is zooming to an emergency. Siren and flashing lights. To make sure they get there safely, Fiona has a siren and flashing lights to tell other vehicles to get out of the way, so that they can get to the emergency quickly. Thanks to Fiona for helping us out today. I hope you enjoyed finding out about what makes a fire truck special. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Here come some of our smaller vehicle friends. They're going to help us learn to count to 10 today. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you help me count all the vehicles whilst they do their important jobs? Vicky the ice cream van is number 1, making sure everyone at the beach has fun. Sid the skid loader is number 2. There's 101 different things he can do. Trevor the tractor is number 3. Ploughing the fields and sowing the seed. Rick the road roller is number 4. He can squash anything left on the floor. Tony the taxi is number 5. He'll take you wherever you need to drive. Number 6 is Amber, a real go-getter. Takes people to the hospital so they can get better. 7 is Mia the mini digger. Like her brother Danny, only he's a lot bigger. Sophie the sports car is number 8. She loves to drive fast and she just can't wait. Florence the forklift is truck number 9, fetching and carrying all of the time. Number 10 is Millie. She must be the last. The police bike checks nobody's driving too fast. Are you ready to count them one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 helpful vehicles. Vicky the ice cream van's visiting us today, so that we can learn what makes her special. Hello, Vicky. Thanks for coming to visit us today. Let's go inside the garage and put Vicky on the turntable so we can take a closer look at her. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Vicky turn. Giant ice cream cone. Vicky has a giant plastic ice cream cone on her roof so that customers can spot her from the other end of the beach. Ice cream freezer. Vicky has a special freezer that can cool down the liquid ice cream really quickly, so it's ready to serve. Musical chime. When Vicky is driving around, she plays a tune. To to let customers know she is on her way. Serving hatch. This is closed when Vicky's driving around. But when she stops, the hatch opens so that she can serve ice cream to her customers. Ice cream machine. Most ice cream vans have a person inside to make and serve the ice creams, but behind her hatch, Vicky has a special robot ice cream machine that serves delicious ice creams to her customers. Lolly freezer. For those who don't like ice cream or can't eat dairy, Vicky has another freezer packed with all sorts of colourful lollies. They look yummy. Children crossing sign. Vicky has a special sign on the back that says Children Crossing. This warns other vehicles to be extra careful and to watch out for children in the road. You must never run into the road. Always make sure that your parent or grown-up holds your hand and helps you to get to the ice cream van safely. Thanks, Vicky, for helping us today. I hope you enjoyed finding out about what makes an ice cream van special. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Here come our biggest friends. They're going to help us learn to count to 10 today. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you help me count the trucks whilst they do their important jobs? Oscar the old bus is number 1. Slow and steady, but he gets the job done. Larry the lorry is number 2. Perhaps he's got a parcel for you. Fiona the fire truck is number 3, spraying water on a flaming tree. Celia the cement mixer is number 4. She churns and churns and churns some more. 5 is Dylan with a heavy load, helping to build this tarmac road. 6 is Bobby. He's doing fine, dropping off passengers, rain or shine. 7 is Helen, with her rotor blades turning. What a long list of numbers we're learning. Giant George is number 8. He's a real heavyweight. Caroline the crane is number 9, swinging the hook at the end of her line. Rebecca the recycling truck is number 10, collecting old things to use again. Are you ready to count them one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 big trucks. Would you like to count my truck friends with me? Here comes baby truck now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trucks. Now can you help me count all of the vehicles whilst they go about their day? Who's that coming out of my garage? It's number 1. Baby Truck. Baby Truck loves his big green dummy. When he's around, it's always sunny. Number 2 is Bobby the Bus. Bobby trundles down the road just fine, dropping off passengers come rain or shine. Max the Monster Truck is number 3. He's a professional at stunts. He loves nothing more than flips and jumps. Coming through the door is our number 4, Fiona the Fire Truck. Fiona has a big ladder to reach even higher, and a hose full of water to put out the fire. Number 5 is Rick the Road Roller. Rick never complains about his steady load. He's having too much fun, rolling the road. Vicky the Ice Cream Truck is number 6. Vicky's an important part of the team, bringing all her friends delicious ice cream. Vicky's friend is Trevor the Tractor, and he's number 7. Trevor at times may be a little slow, but all his hard work helps the crops grow. Amber the Ambulance is number 8. Amber has a very important job to do. She makes poorly people feel good as new. Here's Rebecca the Recycling Truck, our number 9. She always knows what garbage to take. Dumping it back at the yard is a piece of cake. Finally, Florence the Forklift is number 10. She drives around the warehouse, zooming and spinning. Filling Larry the lorry with boxes, I think she's always winning. Are you ready to count them one last time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for counting my truck friends with me. You did great. For now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! If you love this video, tap here so you're the first to know about my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!